Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the lighter has fuel and a working striker. This prevents wasted attempts. Hold the lighter upright with your thumb poised on the ignition wheel and your index finger steadying the body so your motion is controlled. Once positioned, shield the flame from wind with your hand and aim the nozzle away from your face and flammable materials. Do this now so the next motion is decisive and safe. You generate ignition by rolling the wheel briskly or pressing the piezo button in one smooth action. Rapid contact creates sparks and releases gas simultaneously. Keep your thumb moving downward while gripping the lighter firmly so the flame forms consistently rather than sputtering. Once a flame appears, make small posture adjustments, and if lighting a cigarette, inhale slowly toward the flame to draw it in. This stabilizes. When finished, you extinguish the flame by releasing the ignition or closing the fuel valve so it cuts off immediately. Then check that nothing is still glowing. If the flame is weak or uneven, make sure there is fuel, clear debris from the nozzle, and try again out of the wind. Small clogs or low fuel are common causes. Finally, store the lighter upright in a cool, secure spot and keep it away from children and heat to prevent accidents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.